Hello, how is everybody doing today? I am here today to share. I have my oh so inspired um, inspiration pieces for this month. And let me go ahead and put these over here for the moment. But this month, and I will put the inspiration piece link either down below or I will try to find a picture to put into the thing. But these are some of the pieces I used for this project, but let me show you the projects first. What I did was, I have not done this in quite a long time, but the inspiration thing was, um, it had some embellishment pieces that it looked like the person in the inspiration piece had taken and made some embellishments, and I had not done this in a long time. And all my little pieces of scrap papers were kind of building up, so I took the time and made some inspiration pieces. This is what, when I saw the picture, what it made me feel like doing. And I took some dies and cut these shapes out, and I think I might make it a little tag hole here so that I can add a little ribbon to this. That one, and then I came up and made this one. Really cute. I thought these were really, really, really nice. And then this one with some cherries, and I am going to write a sentiment in the back part of this tag when I send it in pen friend mail. And what I'll do is I'll put, something like if life is a bowl of cherries, then why am I in the pits? And the cherries will be on the tag, and that'll be just a little cute share for someone to put into their journal or into a scrapbook where they have their pen friends things. And this one says forever friend, and I will probably send this to one of my pen friends who has been with me for a very long time. I enjoy my pen friends letters so much, and they mean so much to me because I'm not a very pretty introverted, and I enjoy my quiet time very much, and I have a very hard time communicating with people in real life, just because as time has gone by, just making friends and keeping friends and finding friends is very difficult for me. So my pen friends, and I have, I think, about 30 of them who I write to on a monthly basis, kind of keep me grounded and keep me sane, so to speak. And then this one, little birdie, and I'll send that to a pen friend that I know that loves little birdies. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put quotes in the back of all these. Some of them are double-sided papers, so I'll have to attach a little white background to them. This one I think is not double-sided. I think it's the only one that's not. And this one, and then again I'm just showing them, and then this one. So I made quite a few embellishments there, and I had not done this in a long time, and I'm probably going to do it more often. These are some of the pieces of scrap paper that I had to choose from, and there's a few more of these. I have quite a bit of scrap paper, and I am going to do this, make more of these embellishments and using these papers that I still have left. And then there's that one, and there is this one, and there's a couple of them. They're all one color. This pink one, and then there's this blue with stripes, and there's a green one here with stripes, and there is this one. I think this is from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure, but I think it was from one of the trips I made either last year or the year before to Michael's. That one, there's this one, that one. This one is, as you can see, is where I cut them cherries from. There's this one in blue, pink, green. I think the wing for the bird, yes, the wing for the bird was cut from that one. And this one was actually, this piece right here was cut from that. And then there's pink. And here's where the birdie was cut from, this piece here. And it's a pretty big piece, so I'll probably use that for something big. This one, purple, love purple, my favorite color. And it's got some, I don't know if you can't, the camera doesn't want to catch it. It's got some swirls on it that are pretty light. And then this is some white pieces here. And then some of the die cuts that I used for these were from here. And there's a few more there that I could have chosen, but I did not. I've got this one that I had out to use. I didn't use all of them, but most of them I did. And then there was this one. These are all from Sizzix, from my little Sizzix collection. Then there is this one where I can, the bird was from this one, the cherries, the little shape for this piece was from here. And then the little flowers, and I didn't use those, but, and then there's this one that I used to cut the tags from, another Sizzix from my collection. And some of these, or the majority of them, I've had for years, and I've used them in other projects, but I had been meaning to take them out to use for my scrap, to use my scraps up, for the same reason as this inspiration piece had today, because I wanted to go ahead and make something that I could send to my pen friends and use and add into their envelope. And these little things like this, when you add them to snail mail, they don't add any postage, extra postage, because they're so small. Unless you're adding something bulky, it won't add to your postage. So this keeps my postage within my budget. And then I can use my scrap paper so I don't feel like I'm being wasteful. And then I can use my stash of dies that will be with me for as long as I want to keep them. I don't think I've ever gotten rid of any, of not even one of the dies I've ever purchased over the length of time that I've been doing paper crafts. So these are, once I acquire them, they pretty much remain in my stash. But anyhow, you never know, maybe one of these days I will feel the urge to de-stash, but that hasn't happened just yet. This is my inspiration piece projects for the Oh So Inspired for this month, and I will put the links down below for the other ladies who are participating in this month's collaboration as well. Please visit as many of them as you can, give them some comment love, and I will see you next month for May's Oh So Inspired collaboration. You all have a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye now.